Hey everyone, it's Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy Father's Day gift that you can make with our new football sign blanks. So the first thing that you're going to do is peel off the protective film, and it's really easy to do. I use my nails, but some people use tweezers or something like that. Just make sure you don't nick the coating on the sign. And then we want to line up our design to the blank and tape it down really well, and then flip it over, and then it's ready to go. And I usually press the sublimation MDF at 385 for 45 seconds. Then once it's done, oh, it's stuck to the top there. You do want to use about a medium pressure. I think my pressure was a little too heavy, so when my press opened up, it stuck, but that's why we tape it really well so it doesn't shift or anything if that were to happen. It's going to be very hot when you remove it, so make sure that you have some heat gloves to protect your fingers. And there you have it. It says, "We won the Super Bowl, scoring you for a dad." So this is the first design. And then I did a second design where you can actually add a photo. And I am going to put the digital design up on my site as well, pnwblanks.com, so you can buy both the digital design and the football sign blanks that come with a stand as well, which I'll show you at the end. And then we're just basically going to do the same thing here. Line up the design, tape it down, and press it at the 385 degrees for 45 seconds at medium pressure. And these are available in both the glossy and the matte finish. And I'm going to adjust my pressure so it doesn't stick like before. Alright, our second one is done, so let's peel it off. Remember that safety glove because it will be hot, which I obviously forgot here. And then take the tape off while it's hot. If you wait for it to cool down, I have found that the tape sometimes sticks a little bit to the back and peels the backing off. So you definitely want to make sure that it's still warm when you remove the tape. And there you go. So this one has, like I said, a spot for an image. It still has the same phrase, but then you can add an image. And each of the signs also come with a little stand, so you'll see that it's really easy to assemble. Just put it together like that, and then you have a little wooden stand for your football sign. So just like that, in less than 5 minutes, you have a perfect Father's Day gift, birthday gift, or gift for any time with two different designs. So this one you can add names to the bottom as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe. Happy pressing!